Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to give you ideas of what to post on Pinterest. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Number 1. Post your clothing pieces.
It is really easy to make a pin from the web, and this is the easiest way to promote your single clothing pieces. All you need to do is click Create Pin, which will take you to the pin builder.
Get the URL of your clothing piece and type in the name of your group, then --roblox. Scroll down until you see Save from Site, then click on it and add the URL from Roblox. It will ask you to select a picture. Click on the only picture there and press Add One Pin. Add to a board and publish, then you're done. Here is a few of my pins that did very well and actually got us 1 or 2 sales. It's not a lot, but it can really help beginners since you have to pay 10 Robux now. Number 2. Post pictures of your avatar wearing your clothes. I put a pin up of my avatar wearing our clothes that got over 30k impressions and 200 saves. Only do this if you don't mind people taking your fits. It's an easy way to promote your clothes because people will want to buy the fit, so you'll get sales. Upload it the same way as number 1, but replace the clothing piece with your profile. Number 3. Post pictures of your home store. If you have a home store, this is a really good way to promote basically all your clothing at once. It can also help give people inspiration too. Take screenshots in Roblox Studio whilst holding down Shift and PRTSC on Windows. Then find your picture and crop it. Upload the pictures of your home store onto Pinterest again, same as the last 2, but replace it with your home store. I uploaded 2 pictures here just to give you guys ideas for your pics. Number 4. Post high-quality TikToks. To post your TikToks on Pinterest, I recommend doing it on your phone or tablet. First, save the video and go onto Pinterest. Upload your video and add a description and a link to your Roblox group. Next, put lots of tags, and I mean lots of tags. This helps your video get seen. It doesn't even need to be related, just type all the tags you can think of. This part is really important. Your video will take a while to appear on your page, but that's normal, don't worry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.